Look at these beautiful placemats. This comes in a multiple set. This is the beige. It comes in about a dozen different colors. It's so, so pretty as a formal wear here with my beautiful china. It's also wonderful casual. Just look how easy it goes from formal to casual. Very easy to change and use every day. It's 13 by 19 and it is heat resistant, and I love the way it washes well. I love the way it washes well, and you can use the reverse side if one of them happens to have a spill on it. It's exactly the same on the other side and will match your set. It comes with multiples, and you can interchange one if one gets dirty, or you can have a full place setting for a large crowd. It's a beautiful, well-made placemat, and it looks just as pretty after it's washed and used as it does here. I know you will love it. This is a beautiful Homaxy placemat, and it also has coordinating dish towels and linens that go beautifully with it as well.